First, today I will show you how to work slice select tool inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. So I can easily access it from the crop tool menu toolbar or tool group. Now you can find slice select tool. I am selecting it, so you can see that here is only I didn't slice the image yet. So first of all, I am selecting slice tool and slice the image first. So I am slice the image from here. So you can see all the user generated slice and auto generated slice has been created. So now I am accessing slice select tool. You can see this is the slice select tool. What we can do with it? We can select the sliced images. I am clicking here and it is selected this sliced. So now you can see here is a button promote and divide, and here is a hide auto slices. So we can promote it. If I promote it, then you can see these auto generated slice now user generated slice. You can also divide the slice from here. If I press 3, you can see 3 horizontal lines has been created, and divide vertically 3, it is also created 3 vertical slices. If I press OK, all the slice has been created from here. Now if I click here and right click promote to user slice, I can promote it to user generated slice from the clicking by right button. Edit slice option also from here, or you can access it from here also. And also a button here, you can see this is bring to front, bring forward, send backward and send to back. If you can see, if I can move the slice from here, and you can see new slice has been created. We can create a new slice from here. We can move this. It can fill automatically other areas, and you can see this is forward now and this is forward now. You can move to send back. If I click here, send backward, click here, now it is on the backward. So dear viewers, I hope you have learned something from this quick tutorial. If so, please subscribe my channel and take care.